Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make curd quickly. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk and an acidic agent like lemon juice or vinegar. Heat the milk gently to a specific temperature, typically around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, but do not boil it. This initial step is crucial for achieving a smooth, consistent curd. We'll then introduce the acid to begin the curdling process efficiently. To begin, measure out 4 cups of whole milk into a medium saucepan. For the acidic agent, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or white vinegar ready. You'll also need a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel to drain the whey later. Ensure all your tools are clean to maintain hygiene and prevent any off flavors in your curd. Gently heat the 4 cups of milk over medium heat until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer to be precise. Once it hits the temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat. Slowly pour in the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar, stirring continuously, but gently. You'll notice the milk beginning to curdle almost immediately. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes to allow the curds and whey to fully separate. Carefully pour the curdled milk mixture into your prepared fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth. Allow it to drain for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your desired consistency. For a softer, creamier curd, drain for less time. For a firmer curd, drain longer. Once drained, your fresh, homemade curd is ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.